Hello, this is Chris again. Welcome to my workshop. I'm here to show you the shock dynamometer that I've prototyped and will be bringing to market in the next 6 months. Fully functioning prototype. I have the shock absorber that I had from the last video in here. Clearly it hasn't been rebuilt. The body is still rusted. Oil and contaminants are still inside the shock absorber, but it has been charged with nitrogen. And I wanted to demonstrate the function of the shock dynamometer here and break down some of the details I have here. So I have my 4-inch cylinder supplied by my air compressor. I have my load cell, S-type load cell that's common on dynamometers, shock dynamometers. In the back I have a photoelectric sensor and a flag that's able to detect the speed, and so in combination of the load cell and the photoelectric sensor being wired to a microcontroller, I'm able to calculate the speed and force curve and output that to my laptop using a macro based in Excel. Again, this is a prototype, so you see some of the wires here that are going to be a bit more exposed than you would see on the product line. I will now cycle the shock absorber back and forth using the 2-position 5-way solenoid valve. Cycles back and forth, and I'm able to control the velocity of the piston in the cylinder via a airflow control valve that I have mounted to the input of the solenoid valve. In addition to a manual function here, I also have the ability to auto cycle, which is the function that I used to be able to high cycle test the shock absorbers that I rebuilt during the R&D phase. So there you go.